Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Carlos, and if you are new here, what's up? Alright, so obviously I'm going to continue pouring with these same colors that I mixed with that iridescent medium, simply because I kind of want to use them up and I still have a little bit left. So I'm going to try 1-2 more maybe, but don't worry, I won't upload them back to back, so you won't be like, oh my god, not again. Anyways, so this time I've tried pouring without a base, I've tried pouring with a base, I've tried pouring with thicker paints. That didn't work. Now I'm going to try no base and see how that works. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. This time around I'm going to start with the magenta, pink, whatever, as the first color. Pour that on just like so. I'm going to top that off with some of the blue. From there, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more blue. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit more magenta. To this time, guarantee that we get full coverage. And who knows, that might look cool. It might not. We're about to find out. We're going to grab our black Amsterdam paint. We're going to go ahead and put our, not so much this time, right there in the middle. We're going to go ahead and blow it out. Then we're going to spin it out. And I'm going to wait for the beeps. There they are. And we're going to go for gold. Ladies and gentlemen, let's rock and roll. Alright, most of the cells are, hey, let's get closer. Bam! Most of the cells are towards the outside, so I'm going to see if I can't blow some of this more towards me. And then we're just going to go ahead and spin it out and see what happens. Funkiness. A lot more blue on this one. A lot more blue. Some finer lines. I dig it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. But first, I'm going to turn off our little homie here. Beep, beep, beep. No? Maybe? Oh, there it is. Alright, so we'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have our fourth piece. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you real quick. That one right there was the first try. Horrible, I know. That one right there was the second try. I like it. Hopefully you guys do too. Here is the third try. I kind of dig that one too with the different kind of colors, I guess. And then here we have the one we just did. So I'm not going to get too close because that kind of messes with the colors. We can zoom in though. Yeah. So we got some pretty fine lines. See if we can just stand it up a little bit more. Go around the edges real quick. Show you what all that looks like. Go back to the center. Now obviously this is like completely still wet. I just got done doing it like a few minutes ago. And yeah, I kind of dig it. See if we can't maybe get on some different angles here. We can see. Yeah, I dig it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And remember, as always, if you like it, leave me a like. Let me know where you guys are watching from, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.